Hello percussionists, and welcome to page 14. No, that's not a mistake. We skipped over pages 12 and 13 because those are all ensemble group exercises, and 14 is the next asynchronous page. But again, even if we weren't on distance learning, we would still be on page 14 nonetheless, okay? So on this page we will do a little bit more drum set work here. We'll do some work with flams, and this should be a fun page. Okay, it'll keep you plenty busy. All right, so get your practice pads and get your sticks, and we'll get ready for page 14 on the other side of this break. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Let's get busy. All right, we will start with number 64, 16th variations. Don't do 63 rhythm rap, just skip it. Here we go, 64, follow along silently. 1, 2, listen, and 1, 2, and 3, and a 4. 1, 2, and 3, and a 4. 1, and 2, and a 3, and a 4. 1, and a 2, and a 3. All right, all together, here we go. Ready? Let's try it, 64. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, and 3, and a 4. 1, 2, and 3, and a 4. 1, and a 2, and a 3. All right. Quick break, and we'll get to the next two exercises. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, number 65, seed chanting. Okay, this is a tambourine exercise, but just do the top system with the snare drum. Don't mess with the bass drum or the tambourine. Okay, now sea chanty, the melody here you will know very familiar if you watch the cartoon SpongeBob SquarePants. Bum 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 bum. Okay, that's part of the what we call incidental music from SpongeBob. Here we go. Follow along silently. 1, 2, listen, and do take the do take the do take do take the do take the do take do take the do take the do take clam 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 do, and don't take the repeat. Here we go. Ready? Beginning. 65. 1, 2. Ready and go. Do take the do take the do take do take the do take the do take the do take the do take clam 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 do. Next one, number 66, American Fanfare. Follow along silently. 1, 2, listen, and do take do take the do take do take do take the do take the do take do. Let's play it. Here we go with me. 1, 2, ready and go. Do take do take the do take do take do take the do take the do take do. All right, another break. We'll get to the rest of the lesson right after this brief break. Stay tuned. All right, number 67, scale study, but this for you is a major clinic here on flam taps, okay? A lot of flam taps here. And then some flamadiddles as well. We have a paradiddle with flams in it. That's called a flamadiddle. Here we go. Follow along silently. 1, 2, listen, and tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 2, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and a 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and a 4. Flam, 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 flam. 1, and a 2, and 3, 4. Okay? Now, as always, get the rhythm first. You know, we're going to go in a different order here. I remember your last assignment, you had a set order here. We're going to go rhythm, then rudiments, then sticking. Because this exercise is really based in flams. So we're going to go rhythm first, flams second, and then sticking third, in that order. Okay, here we go. Ready? 67. 1, 2, ready, and go. Flam, tap, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and right, left, right, left, left, 1, and 2, and 3, and second line, and 2, and 3, and a 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and a 4, flam, 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 flam. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4. All right, one final break. We got one more song to go, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, the last exercise is Bill Bailey. Now this also is a drum set exercise, so again, you have your left hand on the drum and the right hand on a surface. Watch how you emulate the cymbal on the surface, and again, don't damage the surface. This is cut time, students. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You'll go 1 and 2 and 1. Okay, here we go. Follow along. And by the way, at the third line, you've got a number 17 there. That's just a rehearsal number and a reference point. 17 means measure 17. Here we go. In cut time in 2. 1, 2, ready and go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Now do the second line. Bum, ba, da, bum, ba. And 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and do the third line 17. Bum, ba, da, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba. Ready now. Do the day, last line. Ready? Do. Okay, and not real hard. It might be hard to read it, but once you get it, you'll be off and flying with this. Here we go, beginning of 68. Bill Bailey. 1, 2, and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Here we go. Do the second line. Ready, here we go. Do the 17. Now do the last line. Okay, that's it. We are done. That's page 14. We'll take a break and conclude this lesson with some closing remarks, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, that was page 14. Once again, just to restate, don't do 63 rhythm rep. You skip that. Start with 64 16th variations, okay? I would say just the last two exercises, watch the flam taps in 67. Now, once again, your previous page 11 on number 55, remember we said rhythm and then sticking and then rudiments. But here we're going to go rhythm, rudiments, sticking for this one. Because this exercise focuses on those flams and the flam taps and the flamadiddles. And well, we're going to flip on priority order. We're going to flip the sticking with the rudiments, but the rudiments second. Always get the rhythm first. And then the rudiments second, and then the sticking. On Bill Bailey, again, it's cut time, but once you learn that, Bill Bailey's not going to be that difficult. Just don't damage the surface that you use to emulate the cymbals. Okay? All right. Again, keep up the great work, everybody. Don't forget to turn in all your other stuff like winter concert and the extra credit projects if you wish, but we're getting close to the holidays and lots to do and lots to go over, so do this, of course, work it, practice it, and learn it, and you'll be keeping up, doing the great job you've been doing all along, okay? So have fun this week with page 14. Until next time, this is Mr. Pickett saying so long, stay safe, stay well, stay busy, and have fun. Bye-bye for now.